The Blue Ridge Parkway is one of the prettiest drives in America. So today, we're walking through our top 7 stops along the Blue Ridge Parkway in North Carolina. Let's start with our favorite hike located right off the parkway, the Rough Ridge Trail. This hike is one of our favorites because it overlooks Grandfather Mountain, which is famous for its mile-high swinging footbridge, as well as the famous Blue Ridge Parkway curb that you'll probably see in just about every other postcard up here. To get to our favorite lookout, you'll pull off into the parking lot at the start of the Rough Ridge Trailhead. We recommend taking the trail to the left that leads over the waterfall at the first sign you'll see. This leads you up to some spectacular rocks and walkways. The path itself is rocky, with wooden boardwalks connecting some of the different segments of trail. While here, we recommend enjoying the sunshine and awesome rock formations. It's also a great spot to catch a sunset.
So we're on the Rough Ridge Trail. It's right out the Blue Ridge Parkway. It's pretty easy on the way up. Takes about maybe 45 minutes to get to the top. Definitely worth checking out.
While in the area, it's the perfect time to check out the next stop on our list, and that's the Yonahlossee Overlook. This overlook is located near the Rough Ridge Trailhead, and even if you don't feel like hiking the Rough Ridge hike, this is a great spot to admire one of the prettiest stretches of the parkway.
If you're looking for a great overlook on the Blue Ridge Parkway, the Yonahlossee Overlook has the beautiful and iconic S-bend bridge. So you see the cars curving along its surface, and you have the beautiful mountain views on the side. There's a car going by right now. So cool to watch it from afar. It's like watching a model train set. This might be one of the best spots to catch a sunset on the Blue Ridge Parkway. Another stop on the Blue Ridge Parkway you have to see is Mount Mitchell State Park.
Mount Mitchell is an amazing spot to visit because it's the highest peak east of the Mississippi. And the best part is, not only is it located right off the Blue Ridge Parkway, you can also drive nearly all the way to the summit. It's free to get in, and the parking at the top is also free. From the top parking lot, it's about a 10-minute walk to the observation deck on smooth paved trails. And on a clear day, you can see over 85 miles from the observation deck.
I've not climbed enough mountains to know, but if Everest has a gift shop at the top, I don't know what everyone complains about. Hot chocolate and shot glasses, not a bad deal.
The next stop along the Blue Ridge Parkway we recommend is the Beacon Heights Trail. If you're looking for a quick hike with great views, this is a must-stop spot.
You follow the signs to this Beacon Heights Trail. It's beautiful. The top, really cool rock structures, and really not too hard of a trail. I'd say that it takes maybe 10 minutes to get to the top if you're moving a little slow, so definitely one that's pretty good for all ages. So the Beacon Heights Trail is about a half-mile walk from the Blue Ridge Parkway. Really paved paths, and the view you get at the top is spectacular. Courtney. So we're leaving the Beacon Heights Trail now, and to get here, there's a parking lot directly off the Blue Ridge Parkway. You walk through the parking lot, the other side, and the trailhead is right there.
Yep, little opening in the woods here, don't miss it.
While near Beacon Heights, it's a great time to try another one of our favorite quick hikes off the parkway, and that's the Flat Rock Trail.
So we are headed to the Flat Rock Loop Trail. It's supposed to be similar in length to Beacon Heights Trail, but it should be facing west, so we'll get a different view.
The Flat Rock Trail is really easy to walk up. There's definitely a little bit of a grade to it, but there's not many rocks or roots to climb over. There's a few, but it's definitely a lot less treacherous than some of the other trails we've done. So one of the coolest things about the Flat Rock Trail is the flat rock makes up the trail. So once you get to the top, the trail continues along the flat rocks, and it gives you spectacular views of the mountains as you just kind of wind along the crest of the trail. How about those views, Court?
Not too shabby.
One other thing I really like about this trail is there's tons of these little placards that line the walkway, and it gives you little facts about the little foliage and the nature. It's something I haven't really seen in many other trails here. If you really like learning about the nature, I definitely recommend taking this trail.
That's pretty neat.
And no trip along the Blue Ridge Parkway is complete without checking out one of the coolest mountain cities in North Carolina, and that's Asheville. There's tons to do in Asheville. If you're a brewery fan, there are over 40 in the downtown area. Our personal favorite is Burial, which has a heavy rock and roll atmosphere with some rusted out cars that you can sit in. If you're into architecture and art, the Grove Arcade has beautiful architecture and shopping, and is certainly worth popping in. This is such a fun city with plenty to do, so it's a great spot to just walk around and explore. Anybody home?
Another top spot to see off the Blue Ridge Parkway is the town of Boone. Boone has an awesome adventure vibe and is home to Appalachian State University. This area has several cute little shops to explore and has a really lively atmosphere.
So those are some of our favorite spots along the Blue Ridge Parkway. Please let fellow travelers in the comments below know if we missed one of your favorite spots. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you found this useful or you want to see more content from us in the future. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Are you trying to make me look like a fool?